Hi, today I'm going to show you how to export file as PNG in Inkscape. There is one really simple method that you can apply on your project, so let's do it. First you need to do is select all objects that you want to export. After that you need to click right mouse button in your objects and choose here group. Like you see, our objects has been successfully grouped now, so we can go to the left upper corner and select here file, and now we need to open here export. Okay, so here we have some different export settings. You can export your file by page or by selection. Sometimes you can use custom settings, but I recommend you to use selection mode. Remember that you can always check your preview here. After that, I recommend you to select here from the list PNG. So I click on Portable Network Graphic PNG. Then I recommend you to select this option Export Selected Only. And you can decide if you want to export your image on the white tile or in transparency mode. I will select here 0. Okay, I close this window. And now I recommend you to check all settings, because sometimes we have here problem with format. Like you see, we have here SVG. We need to type here PNG, and after that we need to click export. After that our image will be exported as PNG with transparency background. And that's everything in this video. If I helped you to resolve your problem, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my tutorials.